short interview naman about Roha lang.
Sige mo.
So, kamusta? Kumbaga matatapos na yung Roha after a long time.
Actually, today po mismo yung namin, last showing for Netflix. So, full circle moment. I mean, it's, di pa nagsisingkin sa akin, pero nag-text kami ni Donnie kagabi. Proud kami sa nagawa namin and we're happy sa naging reception ng mga tao. So,
Ano yung hindi mo malilimutan dun sa paggawa mo ng Roha?
to do something that hard with my brothers siguro, with Dons, and actually not just Donnie, but the whole cast. Yung nabuo naming samahan, it's very rare to have that kind of setting. So, nasa isla kami, tapos nakabuo kami ng pamilya. Sarap.
Tapos, after nung success ng inyong maalaala mo kaya, and then ngayon, nagsama kayo ni Kaiman Tinoala dito. Ano pa yung aabangan sa inyo after this?
Abangan nyo lang po, wala pa po akong masabi sa inyo.
Pero
Secret.
parang in-announce mo doon na soon magkakaroon din kayo ng project together.
Wala pa naman po akong in-announce, pero ang masasabi ko lang po, abangan nyo po kung ano man magiging, ano pa magagawa namin ni Kai. Again, like I said, she's a really good friend of mine and why wouldn't I want to work with her? So.
Pero iniintriga na parang may something na daw sa inyo. What can you say about that?
Hindi naman po natin maiwasan, may masabi po yung mga tao, pero sa amin, we're really good friends. Found comfort in each other from both being from Cebu. I think that was the biggest point of our friendship and why we became so close and comfortable. And she's someone I admire, like I always say. So, kaibigan po kami.
Tapos ano din, nalilink yung pangalan niya rin kay Andres Mulak. Anong masasabi mo doon na parang nililink din sila na parang gusto makatrabaho or meron din silang chemistry, gano'n. Ano masasabi mo?
Like what Kai said, di po maiwasan yun. Gawa po ng mga tao. It's part of show business. And kung sino pong gusto suportahan ng mga tao, dun sila. Yun naman po yung mahalaga. It's just not step on each other's toes and not hurt each other's feelings. Yun naman po yung mahalaga. Pero love who you love. Yun yung mahalaga.
Last na lang, Kyle, is she a girlfriend material to you? Kung sakali, kumbaga bagay daw kayo, ang dami nagsasabi. Kumbaga, parang there's something in you na hindi lang chemistry on cam but off cam. Ano masasabi mo na parang, is she a girlfriend material to you, Kyle?
To me, I think everyone would agree. Yes, she's an amazing person. She has all the qualities that you look for in a good friend, and I think she would be that if sakaling may magtatanong kung she's girlfriend material. Pero yeah, I think anyone would agree.
What she likes, ano yung pinakagusto mo kay Kai? Kung bakit nag-click kayong dalawa?
Totoo siyang tao. Yun yung pinakamalaga. She's a real person. She's honest. We're both open to each other, both comfortable. And I think everything you look for in a friendship, I found in her.
Thank you, Kai.